Hi, I'm Farai and this is my code lab. Today we are finishing off chapter 1 with arrays and strings, and we're doing the question of string rotation, where assuming you have a method is substring, which checks if one word is a substring of another. Given two strings, S1 and S2, write code to check if S2 is a rotation of S1 using only one call to substring, i.e. water bottle is a rotation of bottle or what? Huh, I thought it would be much harder than no. Yeah, it is going to be a bit harder than I thought. Yeah, it's definitely going to be harder than I thought. Because initially my first approach would just be like you have water bottle, right? And then bottle bottle what, right? I was just thinking of looping through to like the beginnings here, but what happens if it's something else and you just have like a false positive? So using one call, that's quite tough. So let's look at the hints. So we've hint number 34. If a string is a rotation, then it's a rotation at a particular point. For example, a rotation of water bottle at character 3 means cutting water bottle at character 3 and putting the right half below. Oh, so it's just explaining it. So, for example, the rotation of water bottle at character 3, 1, 2, 3, that means you're pushing. So, 1, you're moving it 3 times. So, 1 is E, water bottle. Wait, is it rotating backwards? Rotation. Yeah, okay, so yeah, it looks like it's going backwards. Water bottle. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so it's rotated 3 times. So that means you can cut here. Right? And then you're moving that to the end. So you only have the first string and the second string. So number 88. We're essentially asking if there's a way of splitting the first string into 2 parts and y such that the first string is xy and the second string oh, so it's like trying to see, is it possible to divide how would that help you? It would help, actually. We're essentially, if there's a way of splitting the string into 2 parts, x and y, which is what we're doing here, right? And split those two into 2. First string xy is water bottle, is what and Oh yeah, you split it in two. So this is like x and y. It's not xy, but x plus y and y plus x, right? X is equal to what? Y is equal to part 2. Yeah. Okay, so that's the second tip. So you would have that x, y, and y x, right? And then the final tip is 104, which says, think about the earlier hint. Think about what happens when you concentrate bot what to itself. You get bot what, bot what. You get the, like, okay, if you just concat to itself, it's bot so what bot so what. Yeah. Right. Honestly, this one's tough. So trying to find the rotation. Let's break them up. Bring in BR, right? This would be a substring. Ish. Sorry, those tips just aren't helping me. Okay, what point are there? Rotate. Oh, there's a dead bug here. I know the silence is just terrible, but like my room is like a forest. Sheesh. Anyway, yeah. So I'm just thinking of like looping through, and then trying to see the division. So I don't know what is substring supposed to help us with, really. Let's try BRA. Just ABR, BR. So you go, no, go, no, go, yes, yes. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna find a sequence. I was thinking of doing something. Like, okay, we tried to like find the letters here and here, right? Then okay, so you have it, right? Okay, that last tip helps, right? You combine the word, right? Yes. No, what does that help, really? Hey, it shouldn't be that hard. Combine the words, right? So, INGBR, INGBR, and then you check if bring is a substring of that. Right? And I'm just trying to think. A, B, 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 R, A, B, 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 R, right? But then B, R, B, R, A, that's not. So, wow, that is much easier than. Let's use a shorter word. So B, R, A, and A, B, R, right? So we have A, B, R, A, B, R, and then you do bra. Yes, it is a substring. So I'm trying to think of a case when it wouldn't be true. Abca and CC. A, B. Wait, are the strings the same length? No. Oh, wait. Yeah, this method should work. B, A. So yeah. Yeah, I think that last tip about joining the word together should work, right? So I need to find an example. A, B, X, C, and C, X, A, B, C, then X, A, B, C. All right, so function. So yeah, this one is actually a lot easier than I thought it was, right? You just combine a string, so you just join wait, which one? Check if S2 is a rotation of S1. So, function. Oh, no, sorry, shoot. Wrong color. Function is rotation S1, S2, then let's call it S22 is equal to S1 plus S2. Then return is, I don't think the pivot matters really, is substring method. Oh yeah, it's a method, so that means not S1 plus S2. S2 plus S2. So S1 dot is substring of S2, right? And then that should give us an answer. So, I'm sorry, I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, I'm going on a cruise. Hopefully it goes well. Okay, so it's yeah, that thing of joining should work, so if it wasn't a rotation, so yeah, I think I'll go with this as my answer. I can't see. Okay, so A, B, C, 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 B, A, C, C, B, A. So yeah, I'm going with this. Really, I mean, that last tip about you can combine them and then you can check. So let's see what it has to say about that. So we're going to page 204 for the answer. Well, okay, and nice. String rotation. Oh yeah, we forgot to check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, one more thing. If the lengths aren't equal, yeah, so if S1 dot length is not equal to S2 dot length, return false. Right, so let's see. Imagine that we have a rotation. For example, you can rotate it so you can cut it into two parts. So we need to check if there's a way to split S1 into S2 such that X1 and X should be X plus Y is S1 and YX is equal to S2. Regardless of whether the division, we can always see that YX will always be a substring of XY, XY. X plus Y plus X plus Y. That is, S2 will always be a substring of S1, S1. So Yeah, but why do we use S2, not S1? Doesn't matter. No, I consider this a success. So yeah, that last tip really helped because I forgot to check, so I'll consider it a success. The runtime varies based on the number, but if you have substring that runs in OA plus B, the strings A plus B, then the runtime is O of N. So yeah, that's the solution and the end of the chapter. That took less time than I thought, and it was far simpler than I had expected it to. Does it really matter if you use S1 or S2? No, it doesn't, because one would just be a rotation of the other, really. Like, if you switch them around, you just do water bottle, and air bottle is that. So it doesn't matter, really. So, yeah. So that's it. It took about 20 minutes. Should have been much quicker, though. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.